Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting video comes from QuillBot. Using QuillBot, how to check grammar and what is the advantage, and really QuillBot are helping us to checking for grammar or spelling mistakes. So we will see detailed demonstration as a practical perspective. So now let's start as a laptop screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply open here your QuillBot using your username, password. You can add here on the QuillBot in your Google Chrome. One more important points come here. If you are watching my video and if you want purchase QuillBot premium subscription, you can use my code Sangram40 and receive 40% discount of your premium subscription. Look at this here. The bunch of options are available. You can go here using your cursor and so many options are available here. Number one option come here, grammar check. I just simply click here. As a grammar check point of view, you can directly put it here your text. Otherwise you can upload here documents, files, and results are showing here. As a text point of view, I just simply use my Medium blog. If you are not following me Medium, you can follow me here. I continuously publish machine learning and deep learning related blog, and I just simply copy one of paragraph here, entire paragraph, and we can see how many sentence, how many word I type here wrong. So I just simply paste here and look at this here. Let's see, the generator character is coming here, G is capital. This original you can convert as a G small, discriminative, then full stop, again discriminative, again generator. Those are not big blunder, but yeah, of course, as a grammar perspective, this is not right way to write in this research article or Medium blog. So look at this here, due to replace as a 4 generative adversarial network as it is in, and you can just simply click here, the sentence and the word is automatically changed. That is the beauty of QuillBot. It's really interesting. Now is finished. Using this tool you can find out very easily grammar related point. The grammar check is available of 3 different languages also, like German, French, and Spanish. So using this one you can very easily analyze as a grammar check of different languages. And important points come here, you can put it here not only word or character, you can upload here the documents, no matter your documents available on the PDF file. It's very easy to add and it's very easy to change and improve your writing skill and very easily deliver your knowledge in front of your professor or remaining audience. That one is a really interesting tool introducing by QuillBot. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.